Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to send a voice message in Facebook Messenger. We'll begin by opening up the Messenger app. Once that is open, tap on the top of the screen where it says search, tap the bar, type in the name of the person you'd like to send this voice message to. Once their name has come up, tap on their name. Okay. Now take a look at the bottom of the screen. Starting from the left where you see the plus symbol, after the plus symbol, there's like the camera, there's the picture, and then something that looks like the microphone. So select the fourth item on the screen as we're seeing right now. Okay. Now it tells you press and hold to send a voice clip. So I'll press it and hold, and then just record as I'm talking. You can see it's letting me know that sound is coming through, and just keep holding. And then once you're ready to send the voice message, just let go. Or if you want to cancel sending this message, just drag up the screen. So let's say if I want to cancel, I'll just drag this up, and when it turns red, that means I'm about to cancel, and it's letting me know at the bottom of the screen where it says let go to cancel. And if I let, it just cancels the message. But if I actually want to send again, I'll just tap the fourth item again and hold, and then I'll record. Once you're ready to record, make sure it's blue, otherwise you might cancel it. So after you're done recording, just let go, and there it is. You have sent this video, and you can check by just playing the audio again, see if it's what it sounds like. Okay, as you can see, it's I sent it successfully. So that's how simple it is to send a voice message in Facebook Messenger. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Or if you like my video and you like to get more tips on how to use Facebook Messenger, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.